Unit 10 Review Part 8. So we are continuing our discussion of conic sections and how to classify them. We classify them using the discriminant. Okay, discriminant, as we said in the last one, is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, when we have the equation ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared, etc., 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 equals 0. So it's in standard form. And we said that if it's less than 0, it's a circle. If a is equal to c, and it's an ellipse. If a is not equal to c. If it's equal to 0, if the discriminant is equal to 0, then it's a parabola. And if the discriminant is greater than 0, it's a hyperbola. So taking a look first at number 21, okay, our x squared term has a coefficient of 1, so a equals 1. Our xy term does not exist, so we have b equals 0, and c must be equal to the coefficient on the y squared term, which in this case is negative 9. Okay, so plug that into the discriminant. 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 9. The negative times the negative here is going to give us a positive, so we get 0 minus 36, or excuse me, 0 plus 36. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36. So we're going to get something greater than 0, so right away we know it's a hyperbola. Okay. Next, number 22. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 0 because there is no xy term. And C is equal to 1. Okay. So 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Alright, so 0 squared minus 4 is negative, so negative 4, so we had the discriminant is less than 0, so it's either a circle or an ellipse, and since A is equal to C, then we know that it's a circle. Okay. Number 23. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to 1. So guess what? It's exactly the same situation as we had in number 22. Again, we don't care about the D, E, and F, because all we're looking to do is classify these. So again, we get 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Again, it comes up less than 0. Again, A is equal to C, and it is therefore a circle. And last but not least, we have number 24. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 0. And C is equal to 4. So 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, or excuse me, times 4. Negative 4, or excuse me, minus 4 times 1 times 4, so A times C. Alright, so that's negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. So we're at less than 0. However, this time A is not equal to C, and therefore we have an ellipse. And that does it for Unit 10 Test Review 8.